Declarative sentence. In the English language, among the types of sentences, declarative sentences are the most used kind of sentence. In this video, you will learn the meaning, definition and types of declarative sentences. Also, take a look at the examples given and try out the practice questions to understand better. Let's start with definition of declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is generally a simple statement that is used to provide information about something or state a fact. It ends with a full stop or a period. It is the most common type of sentence in the English language. Types of declarative sentences. A declarative sentence can be a simple or compound sentence, and they make the two types of declarative sentences. Now, let us look at these two types in detail. Simple declarative sentences. A simple declarative sentence is in the form of a simple sentence and has just the subject and predicate. It mostly follows sentence patterns like SV, SVO, SVC, SVA, OSVO, etc. Examples of simple declarative sentences. Compound declarative sentences. A compound declarative sentence, as the name suggests, is a compound sentence that has two independent clauses linked by a coordinating conjunction. Uses of declarative sentences. The declarative sentence can be used to provide general information about something casual or day-to-day routine, to inform your audience about something specific, to state general or scientific facts, to explain something. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use declarative sentences. Have a look at the following examples of declarative sentences in order to understand how they can be used to perform the different functions as discussed. Providing information about something casual. I like dancing. Kathy is at the park. He lost his cat. Providing information about your day-to-day activities. I go to school by bus. They start work at 9:30 a.m. every day. Lisa reads the newspaper in the morning. Informing your audience about something specific. Jancy watched KGF 2 on the first day of its release. The reception starts at 5 p.m. My brother is 20 years old. Stating general or scientific facts. The sun sets in the west. Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States. COVID cases are rising day by day. Here we have provided you with an exercise. Pause the video and check your knowledge of declarative sentences. Check the answers given below to find out how far you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.